When an artist draws a body, they start with shapes. You can begin with an oval for the head, a rectangle for the neck, and underneath it a long rectangle for the body. When we attach legs, there are rectangles at the bottom, 2 of them side by side with no space between. Arms are rectangles too, with circles at the bottom for a hand. Your fingers look like U's attached to it. On this picture, Teddy Roosevelt has his arm bent, so it's 2 rectangles that connect together with a circle at the bottom. Today, in art, our goal is to know that I can draw a body using shapes. Follow along. Now we're going to draw our own. Pretend my paper is on the right side. I'm going to write my name on it so I know whose paper is whose. Once you have your name, start by drawing an oval near the top of your paper. Remember, it's like a circle, but it's thinner and taller. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle underneath for the neck. Make sure your rectangle touches your oval. Next, we're going to draw a big rectangle underneath that's very tall. This will be our body. Under that, 2 rectangles side by side so they touch. Those will be our legs. Finally, we're going to draw 2 rectangles on the sides up by the top of our first rectangle. Those will be your arms. Make sure you make them long enough. Add circles for your hands and draw 4 U's and 1 smaller U for fingers. Again, add 4 finger U's and 1 for the thumb. Finally, you can go ahead and add on your feet. I make these by drawing 2 rainbow bumps down at the bottom of my rectangles. Next, we get to add details like hair, nose, and mouth. Draw your hair so it's up at the top of your head. Make sure that you draw it around the oval so it looks like real hair. Eyes go in about the middle of your oval. And draw your nose and your mouth underneath them. Don't forget to add details like clothes. Finally, don't forget to add our last detail, color. When you're all done, make sure that you turn it in to the guest teacher.